So here we are again on the 6th of December 2015, just by one of the schools, Newman School. And here's the lifeboat team just rescuing a few people here. They've just rescued this old deer here. He's looking rather happy to be seen to. It's quiet by down that side. We'll just take a look down that side. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at there. We've got Greater Manchester Fire and Rescue Service. Got the RNLI, Fire Brigade.
Anybody?
Got the got the Welsh Emergency Service that have came up as well. It's quite bad down that section as well. That's Teasdale School, that's all flooded. There'll be no school for him for the next few days. Probably can't see on the video, it's all the way down that street. This is Teasdale School.
Yay.
It says yay, so that's completely underwater.
It's gone into
So if
the
we
hole.
look, that's up the street where we normally drive back
Look,
up.
the door's open.
Oh no, the doors are open.
Yeah, because the doors are
The doors are open.
Oh
yeah.
no.
Water current will push them open.
Watch out,
Quite
man.
bad.
Trinity, doors are open.
Yeah.
The doors are open, Mum.
Probably from the water.
School's still on.
School's open.
School's still on. They just expect you to wear wellies. Take wellies and a towel and a hot drink. Yeah. So this is the devastation.
Oh my word.
This is quite a while away from the river as well, by the way.
The drains
There was-
are still,
yeah,
are
the
still
drains are
pumping
still-
water in,
Bubbling around because these are just soak-away drains, not storm drains.
and it's still pumping water
Yeah.
up.
Liam.
I don't need to. Got wellies on. Holy crap! Yeah, it's pretty intense. Yeah, it's quite bad. Doing okay that way. Not so good that way.
Still pumping water in. I can't believe there's a fish.
There probably will be.
Oh, can we get a fish up in the basement? Please, you can eat right now. That's one of the drains, isn't it? The fish would have loads of fun.
You could probably keep them as pets now, to be honest with you. Take them for a walk and all that. Probably going to be a matter of time before we're evacuated from this place. Oof, that was a rather disconcerting gurgle. Right, back in a minute. Yep, braver people than I. Good effort, guys. Good luck. May the odds be ever in your favour. So there's city centre. So this is one of the main parts affected by the flood. This is what we call Harwick Circus. Normally this is a roundabout to get to many parts of the city. That's a petrol station in the background over there with the yellow roof on it. That there is the civic centre. That's the main civic building where the council do all its bits and bobs and whatnot. We've got some hardcore rafters, I believe, in the distance. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Some guys on a raft. Everything is underwater. Just for perspective, just walk from there. That's one of the main roads to get back into town. Found an island. So in the distance, brilliant. People in a boat rowing. That is fantastic. Making the best of a terrible situation. I think they're on the way this way.